I'm gonna go get my grandbaby. We're gonna stop at the McDonald's. And I honestly feel that would make his head feel a lot better. So he'll be at my house when you get off.
Mama, it is the second day of school. Lucky has not been sick all summer long, and now all of a sudden, he don't feel good? Make it make sense. There is nothing wrong with him. And I put ibuprofen in his backpack because I know his little tricks. Do not go and get him. You just want to sit home and...
I'm not listening to nothing that you're saying. I hope you know that.
I am very aware.
I'm going to get my grandbaby.
I tell you, after this month, I'm just going to take you off his emergency card.
Ha! Run and jump, baby. Run and jump.
Oh, my God.
There ain't nothing to it but to do it.
Mama, you know what? You too. Fine. Go get him. Go get him.
I was going to do that anyways.
You got $1 I could borrow?
I ain't got no cash on me, man.
You don't got nothing?
Nope, I ain't got nothing. I ain't got no dollar, no nothing on me. I need $1. I need $1.
You ain't got nothing on you?
I ain't got nothing
You
on
sure?
me.
You sure?
For real. I ain't got no
You don't got
dollar,
a dollar?
nothing. I wish I did. I really do. I wish I did. I would give you something, but I ain't got nothing on me.
What? What are you looking at?
You going to wear that to go?
Yes.
Okay.
What do you mean? Why?
Because it looks horrible. You look horrible.
What happened?
Nothing. I spilled this salt.
Does it make any difference what side you throw it on?
Yes. You have to throw it over your left shoulder. If you don't, you die. What happened to your Tia Teresa? She didn't wake up the next day.
Did you see?
We never met Tia Teresa, but I know it happened. What's wrong?
I have a back pain.
I think I know why. Mira, I've been watching you. Your posture's horrible. You should tie a rope to your back and straighten you up.
I don't want to do that.
That's fine. You can balance it look on your head instead. Wow, I used to do this all the time. My posture is perfect. It's like my body.
Alright, babe, I'll be back.
Oh wait, baby, you forgot something.
What?
This!
Hey, stop. What are you doing?
I'm just making sure I'm marking my territory. That way if a girl gets close to you, she can smell me. A loyal girlfriend waiting for you at home.
I smell like a girl.
Good, and here's some more so
Hey.
you can smell even more like me.
Hey, stop. Why are you spraying me?
Because I'm your baby. I have a baby.
Oh my God.
That's right, keep spraying him.
Okay. Okay, I smell like y'all.
Good.
Ugh, oh my God. Y'all crazy.
At least they know.
Y'all crazy.
At least they know.
Thank you. Oh, who's your favorite player?
Excuse me?
Shirt and your hat. Who's your favorite player?
Oh, Kobe?
No, but I'm saying currently, like right now. Who's playing right now? Who's your favorite player?
Oh, I don't have one. There's so many to choose from.
Really? You know what? I think they have a good roster. You know, they just added on James, Westbrook, and didn't they add on Carmelo Anthony, right?
Yeah, I think they did.
Yeah. I think they did. Too. You know what? I won't hold you. I won't keep you. Hopefully they do good this season. But I hope you have a nice day, man.
Okay, so everyone literally knows that Starbucks is having like a midlife crisis. They're literally out of everything. Shortages left and right. I literally went to a Starbucks last week and the ceiling was caving in because of how much rain we were getting in Pensacola. On top of that, the store owners wouldn't close the store. Do I smell poor management? Anyway, today I go to Starbucks, get my daily coffee, and I pull up to the screen, and out pops a lady in a green vest with a star on the front. She's got her iPad, taking my order. She's like, "Hi, how can I help you?" And I was like, "Oh my gosh, is this like some Chick-fil-A type stuff?" And she's like, "No, we're better than Chick-fil-A. We have coffee." I was like, "Okay, all right." She finishes my order. I say, "Thank you." She says, "My pleasure." I say, "Starbucks, are you guys rebranding?"
Okay, first things first, I'm gonna put this Gucci belt in this jar, and then I'm gonna pick a liquid. I'm choosing Bang because it's one of my faves, but gotta take a sip before we let it go, and we're gonna fill up this whole jar full of the Bang. Now that we filled up the entire jar full of Bang, I'm gonna be taking just regular ground ginger, and this is what's so crazy and where the magic happens. As you can see, the ginger is sitting at the top, and it is not blending through. It is completely separated. I'm gonna stick my hand completely in as you can see, the ginger is now surrounding my hands, and my hand is completely dry.
Hey, what are you looking at? This is my daddy. This is my daddy. My mom is crazy, and you don't know her.
You don't. She's crazy. She's real crazy.
She's gonna find you.
She's gonna find you, so leave us alone, okay?
Really gonna find you.
Yeah. Do yourself a favor, please.
Hey, you think I'm playing home, girl? Come over here.
No,
Come
no.
over here. You
Be
wanna
good.
fight?
No, hey, no, we want no problems. We want no problems. Come on. You be acting like your mama too much.
No reaction, hot sauce beatbox. Ghost pepper, chip. Got some jalapeno and the truff sauce. Got some chili and the sriracha. And then got some Carolina Reaper in the honey.
Ooh, Miss Murphy, can I have some?
Hey, Miss Murphy.
All right, everyone, come in and have a seat. Everyone pull out your syllabus. I want it copied 100 times, front and back. And if you think I'm kidding, try me. I will call your goddamn moms.
Babe, what would you do if I was a random girl trying to get your number?
Hey,
What's up?
can I get your number?
Yeah, sure. It's 780 199 your damn business. Try us out of here.
Dinner's ready. What is that face you are making? What is
the
wrong?
same thing 5 days in a row.
And tomorrow it'll be the 6th day. And you say thank you.
Okay. Mom, what? Why didn't you respond to my text?
Because you didn't text me.
I did text you.
Did you text me on WhatsApp?
No.
No, then you didn't text me. I only respond on WhatsApp. What are you doing?
I'm making pasta.
But you have to boil the water first.
What difference does it make?
What are you talking about?
What difference
That's
does
the
it
way
make?
you do it. You boil the water, and then you put the pasta in.
Says who?
Says your mother. And you don't correct your mother, okay? We wait for it to boil.
Okay.
Okay, I'm so excited to be back teaching all of you, especially that everyone is here now. I don't want to be here. It's like I'm in prison. First things first, what did everyone do over summer? Why is every teacher asking what we did over summer? Like, who cares? I stayed at home all day and did nothing. I was in bed all day watching TikTok. Wow, very productive. I know, right? All right, y'all want to do a worksheet? Because I think we're already behind. Behind? It's the first day of school. I don't even remember how to add. Are you serious? What's 1 plus 1? 11? It's not a grade. I just want to see where you are. I forgot how to divide. I forgot how to subtract and multiply. I still count with my fingers. I still don't know how to do fractions. What the actual fuck? I don't even know how to read a clock. I forgot how to hold a pencil. If you give me that worksheet, I'm gonna give it back to you blank. How about this? Starting tomorrow, I'm gonna start giving out homework and maybe even a test. How about that?
Graham, so people kind of want to know like what we do throughout the day. So, you know, I figured I'd come on here and we'd talk about it, right? So I wake up every morning and I make breakfast for the whole family. Grandma really likes eggs and potatoes. And then I go to the gym for about 2 hours. I come home, I walk the dog. I bring grandma out with me. Sometimes we go on like a 2 or 3 hour walk, right?
Oh, yeah.
What else do I do?
Then you do the dishes after you cooked.
True. I do the dishes, and then sometimes you have like issues going to the bathroom and changing out your diaper, so I help you with that. And then sometimes Gio has like bladder issues, so you know I have to go there and like kind of spank him on his ass a bit for so him to go to the bathroom.
Oh, you do a lot.
I know it's pretty insane. I should be like a whole fucking housewife at this point.
Oh my God, yes.
And then you know. Sometimes mom and dad are working too late, so I come over here and I cook, you know, a 5-course meal for grandma. And, you know, sometimes at night, Grandmom has some difficulty going to sleep, so I read her a bedtime story. I tuck her in.
This shit's getting deep now.
My mouth will never be the same after this.
This is a warning to anyone who's ever considered tooth gems and why you should always have a professional do this. So of course I start off with my bang because I was going to need a lot of energy and this was going to be very time consuming. I was actually pretty nervous because I've never done this at home, and you'll see why you probably shouldn't do this at home. I didn't realize that you have to be very, very careful with this dental glue. If it gets on your lips can get stuck how mine did. I ended up just not doing one gem because I thought that was boring, and I decided to do my entire mouth. The problem with this is that it's actually permanent and now my mouth is stuck like this, but I kind of love it.
Hey, honey, I'll be back, okay? But there's someone here to pick me up, okay?
Okay.
Just hanging out.
Who you hanging out with?
Oh, just some dude. I mean,
Right.
like, he's just kind of like, you know, he's like a threat, though. You know, for you.
Alright, you didn't have to say that.
Well, he's not gonna try to take me or anything.
Okay.
Like, he's not gonna try to, like, pull one on you and, like, you know, pull a fast one and, like, you know, take me from you.
Swoop you up?
Yeah, he's not gonna swoop me up, is what I'm trying to say.
Gotcha. Cool.
Yeah. Like, he's not, like, you know, he's like, not interested in me, so he wouldn't try to take me from you. So you shouldn't be worried about, like, me cheating on you with him.
I was completely okay with you going.
Okay, I'm just making sure you know that he's not trying to get me. You know?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
This is my money, okay? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Look after it, but don't touch it. I'll be back, okay?
No.
Alright, I'm back. Nice. Oh, you didn't take any money, did you? Okay, hey, well, you know what? Just for that, you can have $100, okay? Go spend it at Target. I know you love that place. Come on, good job.
Alright, so guys, this is the craziest hotel room I've ever stayed at before.
Come on in.
Alright, so this is the bedroom, and this is the view. Oh my god. Alright, so guys, this is the best part. Check this out. This is our private pool.
And it's heart-shaped.
It's heart-shaped. This is the bathroom, and it comes with a hot tub that overlooks the heart-shaped pool.
Oh, no, babe, what are you doing? What are
happened?
you doing? I got you.
You got?
I got you. Don't worry, I'll open the door for you. You're a king, babe. You need to be treated with love, respect, and honor. Yeah, you know what? As a matter of fact, go buy yourself something nice. You deserve it. You're
Really?
a king. Get yourself a robe and a crown, because that's exactly what you need.
You want me to use your money to buy
Yep.
anything?
Whatever
Why
you
are you
want.
being so nice?
Because I love you. That's why. You're my king. You
I
deserve
like
it.
this. I appreciate it. Oh, hey, whoa. What
Mine
is-
too.
I kind of like that.
That's right. That's mine too.
I don't know how you feel every time I do it to you.
Yeah. Hurry up. Get in the car.
I like that.
I wanted to share a quick life hack with you. Instead of riding the skateboard like this, you can actually turn the skateboard upside down, and then you can literally move and glide places. It's so easy and convenient. You can even do tricks with it too. The more you know. Cool, right?
So guys, I bought this new dress. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, sorry. I bought this new dress. I don't know how I feel about it. Sorry, the top is a little, you know. But this is the back. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about it. Guys, please let me know what you think. I'm not feeling it.
2, 1, 2.
Oh!
2, 1.
Oh, that was close! That was close!
2, 1.
Oh! Wait, he's good at this! Wow!
Spencer? Beatbox challenge. All right, water beatbox challenge. Okay.
Yeah! Okay, babe, it's okay. Oh my god, what happened?
I gotta take him to the hospital, Mom.
Why? What happened?
My back.
What happened to your back?
Carrying all this loyalty from my girlfriend. Ah, my back.
It's okay. Hang in there. Hang in there. We're almost there.
We're breaking up. We're breaking up.
I can't hear you, sorry.
No, we're breaking up.
I can't hear you, you're breaking up. No. You're not allowed.
No, where I'm going.
Where are you going?
I don't believe we're
Alright, let's go. Where are we going?
No, I'm going.
We're going. Say we. We? We.
Hey, Alex.
Yeah?
How come the sandals you bought me feel kind of weird? They feel like they don't fit.
Alan, you're wearing them wrong. You're supposed to flip them around and wear them like this. It's a lot more comfortable and has ankle support this way.
Oh.
Yeah, just flip them around. It's not that hard.
Are we still going out to eat?
Oh, this looks delicious. Dig in.
All right. What's that?
What? I don't see anything. What the? Ew! Ew, what the?
Rise and shine, gorgeous. You ready to start the day?
It's literally 6 a.m.
That's okay, I'll just wait. You ready?